Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Vincent and you are watching Vincent's Culinary Arts. First of all, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. In this Christmas occasion, we all know one of our favorite food is cake. So today I am going to show you how to make a marble cake and a fruit cake. To make this cake, I will be using flour, sugar, butter, eggs, raisins, cashew nuts, Tutti Frutti, Hershey's cocoa powder, baking powder and vanilla essence. So let's begin with the cake mixing process. Before you start mixing the cake, do wash your hand properly. I have got 1 kg of butter here and I am adding 1 kg of sugar in it. I will keep mixing this butter until the sugar gets completely dissolved in it. Now the sugar is completely dissolved. I am going to add the eggs. I am using 26 eggs for this. Add the egg one by one slowly. Now I will add 2 tablespoons baking powder with the flour. I have 1 kg of flour which I will add for this cake. Now I will add a little bit of vanilla essence for the flavor. So I have this cake mix ready, and now I am going to divide it by two, one for the marble cake and one for the fruit cake. For my fruit cake, now I will add 100 grams of Tutti Frutti, 30 grams of cashew nut and 30 grams of raisin. I will mix it thoroughly so that the fruit gets mixed with the cake mix properly. My baking bowl is ready. Now I will fill up the mold one by one with this cake mix. For this marble cake, I am adding this 50 gram of cocoa powder of this half of this cake mix. Now I will fill the baking bowl with this marble cake mix. I am using this bamboo square stick in the cake mix so that the marble design will come out better. Now my cake mix is ready with the mold for baking. I have preheated my oven for last 15 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit to make it ready for the baking. So now I have put my cake mix into the oven for baking, and it will take time 45 to 50 minutes. So I think my cakes are now ready. Let's have a look at it. So this is my fruit and marble cake which I made today. You can also try making this traditional cake at your home and let me know in the comments below. I hope you all like this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more such food and art related content. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and Merry Christmas once again.